Tuesday with Stefan.
Stefan here, welcome back for another video. Today we have a quick view of the Samsung Galaxy S Tab 3. I know you're thinking 3 years old tablet, why I recommend this tablet? Well, because it comes with a ton of features and especially the price now is pretty good. So you can get one for 250 British pounds, which is a pretty good. So let's start with the video. Let's start with the features. Comes with a 9.7-inch AMOLED screen by Samsung, so it's pretty good. For video content, this thing is amazing. Also comes with the 4 speakers tuned by AKG, so sound quality is gonna be amazing as well. Comes with a 32 gigabytes of memory, but you can expand that via micro SD card as well. Comes with a dual-core processor and a 4 gigabytes of RAM, so the speed is there, so you'll be super happy as well. Also comes with a 6000 mAh battery, so 1 day battery life, which is pretty good if you watch your videos and movies, play games as well. Also comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera, which is pretty good for videos, pictures. Also front facing camera is 5 megapixel for selfies. So definitely this is a great tablet. Also comes with a Type-C connection. So if you have a Type-C device at home, you'll be super happy. You don't need to buy a separate charger. Also comes with a headphone jack as well, which is something very good in 2020 now. And let me play you some videos here to show you the amazing display, which this is one of the best features of this tablet. Pretty good. I hope you can see properly. This thing is amazing for video content, watching movies, play games. This thing is a great for video content. And one of the last but not least feature comes with a S Pen, which this is amazing. So if you take a lot of notes, this tablet is for you because you can take a ton of notes, which is amazing. So should you buy this tablet? Yes, definitely. In 2020, you can get new tablets for 300 pounds, 400 pounds, but you're not going to get all the features. Here you have all the features that you need. So, my name is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe if you didn't. I will see you in my next video. Pretty good.